Question 4 asks, what is the main characteristic of a model in a linear relation? The first step is to realize that the word model is referring to a linear relation's shape on a graph. A relation is defined as a relationship between two sets of values. In terms of math, those two sets of values are the x values and the y values. The term linear implies that the relation will make up any line on a graph, as shown here. So now, to determine the correct answer, we must go individually through each answer choice and determine which one is the best. We can start by automatically eliminating D as an answer choice because it has nothing to do with math. So now let's look at option A. It must start with a straight line. While it is true that yes, a linear relation will start with a straight line, the term start implies that the graph may change shape later on, so we can eliminate that as an answer choice. Option B states that it must have at least one domain value for each value of the range. We can determine that this answer is not the right answer because while yes, a linear relation must have at least one domain value for each value of the range, that statement is true for almost any relation or function you can find in algebra. We can determine that this answer is far too broad to apply to only linear relations and is therefore not the best answer choice. That leaves us with option C. It must represent a constant rate of change. This is true because in a linear relation, the values are always constantly increasing and not changing shape throughout the graph.